Welcome back to Millionaire Mod. If you're a BMW lover or just curious about luxury tech, hit that subscribe button because we're about to explore iDrive 9 like never before. BMW just dropped its brand new infotainment system, iDrive 9. And trust me, it's not just an update, it's a complete transformation. From hidden tips to futuristic features, today we're diving into everything you need to know about BMW's smartest system yet. First up, iDrive 9 ditches the classic rotary controller. That's right, BMW's iconic dial is gone. Now it's all about a sleek, responsive touchscreen interface that feels as smooth as your smartphone. Unlike older systems, iDrive 9 runs on Android Automotive OS. This means faster performance, cleaner design, and way more third-party app support. Think of it as BMW's luxury twist on Android. You can now fully customize your home screen, widgets, layouts, and quick access buttons. No more endless menus. Your BMW adapts to you. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant just got a major upgrade. You can say things like, set the temperature to 20 degrees or find the nearest charging station, and it responds instantly. BMW is making iDrive 9 future-proof with over-the-air updates. No dealership trips needed. Your car's brain keeps evolving every few months. Swipe down with 3 fingers for quick shortcuts. Long press icons to rearrange your dashboard instantly. Use split screen mode for maps and music at the same time. So, that's iDrive 9 in action. Futuristic, customizable, and smarter than ever. Which feature impressed you the most? Drop a comment below.
Thanks for watching. See you next one.